Namaste children, welcome back. Monohybridization I explained in the previous videos, two videos I explained. So here I wanted to give you what is phenotype and what is genotype of the trait what Mendel mentioned or checked in the observed in the pea plant. Okay, here I made a tabular form. You see clearly. First, color of the flower. Color of the flower, what is the dominant? Purple. Okay. Next, the recessive is white. See, this is D means dominant. This R means recessive. This is phenotype. What do you mean by phenotype? Physical appearance of the plant or of the trait is called phenotype. Genotype means how we will represent in diagrammatically or their genes is called a genotype. So, purple, how that purple genotype, here again I mentioned. Dominant means purple, recessive means white. Clear? Here, this purple, in two conditions the purple flower will be seen. What are the two conditions? The genes may be capital P or capital P, small p. Because one P is enough to represent that particular trait. This is what we call it as law of dominance. So, based on law of dominance, out of two factors, one factor is enough to get expressed, that trait. But here the recessive trait will be expressed only when it is both the factors are recessive. So, mother also should give recessive and father also should give recessive. Then only the recessive will become dominant, right? Will be expressed. Now, based on that, I wanted to write for all these things the genotype and phenotype. Right? Already phenotype I mentioned. See, flower position. Axial position is the dominant and terminal is the recessive. How we will write axial? A, capital A or capital A, small a. And what is the terminal? We will write the same letter we have to take. Both small letters. A. Okay. Next. Seed color. Yellow is the dominant. Yellow how we will represent? Capital Y and capital Y. And other one is capital Y, small y. And green how we will represent? Not with G letter. Remember children. Small y, small y. Don't write your cursive letters like this. Why? You should not write. In this way only you have to write. Next. Seed. The shape of the seed is round and wrinkle. Round is dominant. So, which letter we will take? Capital R or capital R, smaller. Next, wrinkle. What we will write? Smaller. And pod shape of the pod, the kaya, how? Inflated and constricted. Inflated, now we will take I and capital I, small I. And constricted we will write in this way. Okay. Next, color of the pod, green and yellow. Green is the dominant. So, capital G, small g. Two possibilities I am mentioning. It's not that it will show like that. Next, yellow. Yellow will be small g. Next, stem, length of the stem. In the previous video I explained capital T or maybe capital T, small t. And what is the dwarfness? Small t. Clear? So, this you by heart. Thank you. Here the data given is purple flowered plant cross-pollinated with white flowered plant. What its F1 and F2 generation, phenotype and genotype. And you have to mention its ratio also. This is the data given. Now, how we will do? See, first purple flowered plant, capital P. Only one we will take. It is pure breed. So, and for its contrasting small letter is small p. So, what is this? This is male and this is female. And what is it? It is 2n and it is also 2n. Now, 2n will produce gametes. What are the gametes? Small capital P gamete and small p are the gametes. These are the gametes. N. So, now this and this will get fused and this will get fused. Capital P, small p. This is, we call it as F1 generation. If you see that F1 generation, what is its phenotype and genotype? What is its phenotype? Can you guess? Phenotype is purple flowered plant. Sorry, purple flowered. What is its genotype? The genotype is capital P, small p. Okay, now this is F1 generation. Now in F1 generation, what he has done? Self-pollinated. He self-pollinated. So when he self-pollinated, what happens? Capital P, small p, capital P, small. This I mentioned in the form of a Punnett square. So let us draw Punnett square. Did you remember? So this is male and this is female. What I have to write? This you consider as male, this you consider as female. So male, capital P, small p, female, capital P, small p. So both this P, with this P you write capital P, small p. And where here small p is there, no? First you have to write capital letter. That is another rule. Capital P, small p, small p, small p. Now, can you tell what is the F2 generation? This is F1 generation. Now, we are writing F2 generation. F2 generation, what is the phenotype and what is the genotype? What is the physical appearance? Say one capital P is enough to get expressed, that purple tribe. So how many will be in purple color? This will be purple, this will be purple and this will be purple. Okay. So phenotype is purple is to white. How many purple are there? 3 are purple and 1 is white. 3:1. Next, what is genotype? The genetic combination of that 4 plants is called a genotype. So what is the genetic combination? Capital P, capital P, capital P, small p. How many are there? 2 are there. And small p, small p. So if you consider 1:2:1. So 1:2:1 is the genotype. So this is monohybridization. Whatever monohybridization you have taken, this is dominant and recessive. If you crossbreed, you will get this one only. Always this one. And always F1 generation you will get a dominant one. So I will give like this one sum. Everyone should work out. Okay. All the best. Thank you.